Maya is just like you. She is learning English step by step, not perfect, not fast, but consistent. Every morning she learns a word. At school she tries to speak. At home she helps, she smiles, she practices. This is not just a story. It's a mirror of small efforts, quiet change, and everyday learning. So, listen gently, read slowly, learn naturally, because English is not a race, it's a journey. And you, my dear learners, you are already on your way. Come, let's gently learn along with Maya through her simple daily story. Maya wakes up at 6 a.m. She brushes her teeth and takes a shower. Then she eats breakfast bread and butter. After breakfast, Maya read one page from her English book. She learns a new word every day. Maya goes to school by bus. She attends her classes and listens to her teachers. During English classes, she practices speaking with her friends. She enjoys learning new words and phrases. After school, Maya returns home. She helps her mother with cooking. She says, "Today I made cookies. These are for our dog Winner." She gives the cookies to Winner. Winner eats them happily. Maya smiled. She says, "Winner loves my cookies." Then she completes her homework. Before sleeping, Maya reviews the new word she learned in the morning. She feels happy and proud of her progress. And that was Maya's day. Simple, sweet, and full of small efforts. She did not anything big, but she did everything with care. A new word, a kind act, a smile, a moment with her pet. That's how English grow. Not in books alone, but in life, in habit, in heart. Read aloud, identify verbs, try writing about your own daily routine using simple sentences.